doing a bit of tidying up, and I've brought this container outside to blow out all the dust and crap, and I made the mistake of touching that. It's a Piezo Transducer, and it zapped me, and it hasn't been hooked up to anything. So yeah, barium titanate pieces there in a sandwich. I might just go and get a multimeter and see what's sitting across it after getting enough of a zap for it to make a sparking sound and for me to jump and go, crikey, what zapped me? So yeah, hang on a sec, let's see how much voltage is on it. Oh, just jumped to 1 volt then. See that? Yeah, so just beware, if you've got any of these laying around, don't trust them. They'll zap you if they've been left to accumulate a charge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe if you haven't already.